Hi guys, it's your girl Keisha, and my husband is deployed, guys. He is gone, and I just have been so not myself lately, and I had to let some sunlight come in because here in Seattle, Washington, it's just like really gloomy and rainy and cold. Everything that could make you depressed, that's what it is. And today I just had like the worst mornings ever. Everything that could have went wrong. And I don't even want to think about the other stuff that could have went wrong because I don't want to jinx the rest of my day. So I just started cleaning, and I'm just looking at just what I'm wearing, and I just look so depressed. Like, I'm wearing sweats, and I just look bigger than I usually look because those pants just automatically make me look big, and I'm not even that big. And then I got the sweatshirt on, so yeah. I just wanted to wear something comfortable while I was cleaning, or something that I don't care if it got a bleach stain on or something. If I started scrubbing something, and I know, like, with me, I would start cleaning the living room, but then I'll go to the kitchen. So I'm recording because I'm like, I have to be accountable for myself, because I will start cleaning the living room, then clean the kitchen, and then clean the bathroom, and it'll look like I didn't do anything. So that's why I'm recording, so I can thoroughly clean the whole area, guys. So let me just tell y'all what's been going on. Everything, like, a lot of crazy stuff has been going on since my husband has been deployed. I mean, just yesterday, last night, the police knocked on my door asking to speak with me and my husband, and I'm like, my husband is deployed, he's not even here. So the police was like, oh, well, maybe you had the wrong address, because the neighbors called the police on one of my other neighbors, and something must have happened yesterday. So after he left my house, he went to the next neighbors over, and he was speaking with them, because I'm like, my husband's gone. Everybody's husband's here in this building. But anyways, and that's something small, because that was just like a simple mistake. It wasn't like something happened, because we were gone most of the day. So even if something did happen, we wouldn't have known about it. So yeah, guys, I just been trying to pretty much boost my mood, stay doing positive things. I listen to music daily, so I won't like get depressed. And if I'm not listening to music, I will watch like funny videos on YouTube, or like I'll binge watch shows that I haven't seen in like over 10 years, like some old reality shows. I go to a fitness class called Mixed Fit, and that literally is like the main reason I haven't like snapped. Like, if it wasn't for my dance fitness class, I don't even know what I'll do. Like, the women there are so supportive. They pretty much are like a phone call away if I need them. Like, they are so loving, and they motivate me to just be better. And when I go to their houses, sometimes I'm like, their house is so clean, and I'm like, look at my house, it's crazy. And I'm always like stressing over my house, because I have a family. We live in our house, so we live. We do stuff. So I'm like, okay with it being a little messy, but like, since my husband been like not here, it's like it has gotten like worse. Not like really bad, because it has gotten worse than what you're looking at right now, but it's been bad. Like, every room in the house has some type of issue except for the bathroom and the kitchen. Those are the cleanest. Like, I don't play about my bathroom and kitchen, because that's when people eat. That's where people eat and use the restroom. The bathroom is where you use the restroom. So it's like, it has to be spotless. I don't care what the rest of the house looks like. That has to be spotless. Okay, so anyways, when I go to other people's house, I'm like, it's a relief, because I'm like, I'm in someone's space, in their personal space, and they're inviting me in, and I see it looks like it's love. Their home looks loved. When I come back to my home, it looks like I don't love my home. Like, we don't even have pictures on our wall besides the artwork that you see on the left hand side where my daughter, my little 6-year-old, she's like a little artist, so she draws little art and she hangs it on the wall. So we allow her to do that. But like, as you can see, we don't have any like photos of our family or nothing on the wall. Like, it don't even look like, besides the stuff being everywhere, it doesn't even look like anybody lives in our house. But yeah, it's been crazy, guys. That's why I haven't even been posting like I should, because I just be in my mood, and I'm supposed to be helping people fix their credit scores and stuff. And I haven't even been like really motivated to do that, because this deployment has put so much on my shoulders. Like, my husband is like, he's like the person who helps motivate me to do stuff. And like, if the house was getting like this, he would have started fussing. And that helps me get on the children, and then the children clean up. But like, sometimes we have too much fun, and yeah, it gets too late, and my priority is them getting rest so they could wake up on time. But today they didn't wake up on time, even though they went to sleep an hour before they usually go to sleep. And my son, he actually put himself to bed, so I was shocked. So yeah, my 9-year-old daughter, is very helpful, but I'm the type of mom that I want my child to be a child. I don't want her to be like taking responsibilities before she should. Like, she need to enjoy her childhood. It shouldn't be about helping mommy all the time. Like, mommy got it, even though mommy is stressed and mommy really does need help, but mommy doesn't like asking for help. And yeah, my daughter kind of just puts responsibilities on herself without me even telling her. I'm like, I got this. Like, you don't have to help your brother, with certain things. I know he got special needs and stuff, and everybody has to help, but I'm mainly the one supposed to be helping. And daddy's not here, so I gotta do daddy's job and mommy's job until daddy come back. But my husband was supposed to return April 2019, but now they changed it and they are telling us this December. So I am very thankful for that. He will be home for Christmas, and that is another reason why I'm cleaning the mess out of this living room. And I'm going to put the Christmas tree over there by the light. So I'm gonna also do a video of me doing that, but it's gonna be faster. It's not it's not gonna be this slow. But I'm gonna do a speed video on that, and it's a surprise of what I'm gonna do. So y'all have to stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and put on your notification bell so you can see the video. And if you're seeing this video like in January or whatever, or 2019, it's probably already here. The video already is posted. So yeah, y'all have to hold me accountable, because I just totally forget, and I be having too much fun sometimes. Like, despite of what's going on with my husband being deployed, I really do be having fun with my friends. Like, and I be having great conversation with the other military wives that hang out with me. But I'm never really like in a group, and I always feel like in a shell when I do go out in a group with other women. I don't know why. It's like, it's too many energies, and I don't like talking over the energies or something. I don't know what it is, but it just be too much for me. And like, usually if I go out, like when, like for my birthday, all the mixed fit, not all the misfit, but the majority, a lot of them had partied with me, and it was like a lot. So I had to rest that whole day after, like Sunday. Like, I didn't do jack. But I enjoyed my birthday. It was so much fun. That was like one of the best birthdays ever. And yeah, and I shared my birthday, and I didn't even know one of my friends had like a birthday the day after my birthday. So it was so much fun. She's so cool and so loving, and we had so much fun, guys. But yeah, I've been making a lot of friends up here since I've been in Washington, and it's mainly because of the dance fitness class. Like, if it wasn't for that, I just don't even know. Yeah, and I know y'all see that mess on the right side. That is my daughter's. Now, she's responsible of that area, so even though I just cleaned up their toys and stuff, they gonna have to do that part. Like, maybe her and her sister, but they do have to clean their bedroom, because they couldn't find their book bags this morning. I mean, not they. Courtney didn't even bring her book bag, and Cassidy, she couldn't find hers. And Courtney assumed that she was staying home with me after her appointment, and I was like, no. Like, what? Your appointment's on an hour long. Well, I'm not gonna have you miss school. That's crazy. So, anyways, we was late. Guys, we was late. We was 20 minutes late to the appointment. So they said we couldn't be seen, and I had to reschedule her. And to be honest, I don't even know what she said. She said December 9th. Let me look on the calendar. She said December 9th. Friday, December 9th. But December 9th is on a Sunday, so I don't know what the heck she talking about. I guess she meant December 7th. Whatever. But anyway, that's what happened. Like, we woke up late. Like, it was almost as if like my alarm didn't even go off. I woke up at 8:36, and I just started freaking out, because my kids usually are up no matter what. No matter what happens with me, my kids are up, especially my oldest daughter. But my oldest daughter was still asleep, and I'm like, you have a doctor's appointment. What are you doing? And she's like, when it comes to like just going somewhere, period, she's usually responsible. But it was like, I don't know, maybe it was a miscommunication. I'm gonna just take the L for this. I'm gonna just blame myself, because I'm the adult in this situation. But yeah, guys, this is what happened. So we were late because, number one, I have trouble sleeping at night. My husband's not there anymore. This all is this is a effect from the deployment period. I mean, my husband's not here. He's usually the one who said, you need to go to bed. Or if he's going to bed at 9, he just say, hey, come to bed with me. Like, but he's not here. So even if I go to bed at 9, I'll start watching like videos on YouTube, which is starting to be a bad habit, and I'm gonna have to break that habit. Just put the phone down and read me a good book. I'm about to buy that Michelle Obama book. But this is the end of my video, and I would like to thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys watch and subscribe to my next, so you can see my next video. Bye.